If you are repeating tests where you are using TEMA to analyze motion, and even if the tests are not identical, you should consider using the template's capability. Normally when you save a test, the data generated, that is the tracking data, and also the point setup, point naming, and the graph and spreadsheet parameters are saved, and you save a pointer to the image file. If you save your test as a template, you save the point setup and point naming and the graph and spreadsheet parameters. The track data and the pointer to the image are discarded. Thus you can start a new test from a template and eliminate the need to build test parameters. Before you create the template, turn all points back on to save time when starting the new test. Now create and name your template. When you start a new test, the template option comes up first with two lists of templates, the factory ones and the ones you've generated as a user. Select your template, bring in the image, and now you can attach to the points and straight away you can track. If you're going to use this function, you should go into the Preference Archive and set up the appropriate folder for template use before you begin. Also, in the File menu is an option to manage your templates. In this case, we're going to delete the template we made.